Hello guys, are you having a good day? So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a cat wooden jigsaw puzzle. Come with me. I'm a cat person. My neighbor's cat always sneaks into my room and plays with me every single day. His name is Lulu. I love him so much. I got so many scratches on my hands though. Anyway, how about I make a gift for him? Does it sound good? Let's make it. And here's the things we need for today. M1 machine, the Triangular Prism comes with M1, Basswood plywood, laptop, color paint, and the hot glue gun to stick them together. So firstly, always remember to place these triangular prisms on the base plate when you use M1 laser head to cut and engrave, because these guys can support the materials. Then you have some space down there so the smoke can be easily exhausted and your material wouldn't be yellow because of the smoke. So on the other hand, the prism can also protect the base plate from cutting and extend the service life. So now let's put them evenly on the base plate. Open the lid. Grab these guys. You're probably gonna ask me some questions about how many prisms I need to place and how close of each one. It really depends if they can support the smallest piece on your design. Otherwise, the dropped pieces will be cut again probably because the position has moved. So just remember, always measure your pattern and make them a little bit closer. And next, we're gonna place the basswood inside. Just put it on the surface, and there's a built-in camera inside, right in the middle. Just remember, place your basswood closer to the camera, then the camera calibration will be the most accurate. And then close the lid. And next, just connect the smoke exhaust pipe to your M1 machine to discharge all the smoke outside, or use a smoke purifier to filter them. And then use USB cable to connect your laptop. And turn on the power switch. Let's move forward to our software, SCS. So click SCS software. And normally you need to connect your device. It's already connected with M1. You can refresh it. Then you have a live preview about your materials. You can see your basswood is here. And choose laser flat. And choose 3mm basswood plywood. And then we're gonna import the pictures, the cats. So the first one, we're gonna import this outline of the cat. And always remember to click this lock icon, then you can resize or move your pattern in proportion. There you go. And move to this side. Always remember to choose height raised because we put prism in, so choose triangular prism. And choose cut because we're gonna cut the outline. Not engrave, not score, it's cut. And all the measure is set up, is auto measured because we choose 3mm basswood plywood. And then we're gonna import the facial impressions of the cat. Just drag it to superimpose two pictures together. Make sure every cat has their own expressions. Don't mess up. Okay, and go to the right side, make the sharpness full. And because this is the bitmap graphic, so only engrave option for it. And just make sure how big you want your pattern to be. So select them all, maybe make it a little bit smaller. Right in the middle, there you go. So everything's set up. So there's one thing I want to emphasize. These two patterns are different, so we need to set up different parameters. So one is for cutting, the other one is for engraving. And hit process, and hit start. And push the button here. Let's get going. It's time to check out the cutest cats ever. I'm so excited. Open the lid. Wow, look at this. The result is quite good, right? And take them all. Did you see their cute face? It look adorable, doesn't it? Right? So now I'm gonna use the color pen to color them. I'm gonna use the orange color and the brown color, and the third color will be the original wood color. We celebrate diversity, don't we? And now we need another wood bolt. Just make sure this one has exactly the same size as this one you just cut. Okay? And we're gonna use hot glue gun to put them together. And just remember, the hot melt glue will dry really quickly. So just do it as quick as you can. So we just put the glue in the four corners. And now we just put this one together as quick as you can because the glue gonna dry very soon. Okay, everything is ready. Let's make a cat jigsaw puzzle. There you go. Okay, it's very beautiful, isn't it? I think my neighbor's cat will be really happy. So which one looks like him? He's very gentle, so maybe this smaller orange one, he looks calm. So yeah, maybe that's him. But I'm not sure if he will be really happy because so many cats here can be very intense. So anyway, the process of making the puzzle doesn't waste any materials. You can always make puzzle like this for your family or for a friend. Just give it a go. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and let me know what you want me to do in the next episode. See ya!